expression, I think you should be able to find out A and D. I did not try this way, but I will try in case इससे आपका answer निकल आए. You reach here, you use this in the statement given, and then find out A and D, and then you find out dm plus nth term. Maybe that could give you the answer. But this is the easiest way, the one I've used here. Like start with what's given and just simplify. Simplifying it will you reach your answer.
Okay, ma'am.
All right. So I'll just take now. We were doing exercise 8.4 and we have done question number 4 from this exercise. Although in question number 4, last part, I told you to try it by converting tan square and cot square into sine over cos. So if anyone has done it that way, the person would know that even with that conversion, later on you get the same answer. You reach tan square. Okay. Beta, you have to be careful during exam also in case there is a question. Keep a track of time if it requires longer than you are thinking, but it's better to complete other questions. So now what we have is we have this question number 5. Prove the following.
पिछले शनिवार तो गया हम पिछले सैटरडे तो
Question number 5, prove the following identities where the angles involved are acute angles for which the expressions are defined. And writing this only means that since the angles are acute angles, writing trigonometric identities is correct. So you have to prove that LHS is equal to RHS in all of these cases. And what I suggested is to you when we started this exercise, that it's better to convert the ratios into sine and cos. That's the best option you can follow to reach your answer. But other than that, there will be other options to reach your answer. जरूरी नहीं है कि आपको sin cos में convert करना है, और भी तरीके होंगे. लेकिन sin cos में convert करने से, I think it's the easiest in most of the questions. Most of the questions get simplified if you convert the ratios into sine and cos, and that's what I'm going to do here in this question. Let's start with this one. We have first part. Question number 5. So I'm just going to start with the left-hand side. I've got cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square. I'm going to convert these into sine and cos. So cosecant is the reciprocal of sine and cot is the reciprocal of tan. So this will be cos theta over sine theta whole square. So I will ignore the square for the time being. Like I'll just carry it along till I simplify my bracket. So let's just take LCM inside the bracket. And then I'm going to use this square. So in the numerator, I get this binomial square. In the denominator, I will get sine square. Now at this point, there is nothing I can do. I could apply identity. In the numerator, I can use a minus b whole square. Other than that, I don't see anything being done here. So right now, other than using this algebraic identity, numerator को simplify करने की बजाय, I'm going to the identity which involves sine and cos. So identity number 1 uses sine and cos, and the identity says sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So I am going to use the value of sine from here. So I'm going to use this identity from here. Sine square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta. And I'm going to use this value here in the denominator. So my numerator is still 1 minus cos theta whole square. In the denominator, I've got 1 minus cos square theta. So sine square theta has been now replaced by this. Is this clear? In the numerator, I'm going to write the square as repeated multiplication. 1 minus cos theta whole square is 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta written twice. Whereas in the denominator, I'm going to use the identity a square minus b square. So I will get two factors here. Can anyone tell me what those factors will be?
1 minus cos square theta and 1 plus cos square theta.
It will not be square. This actually is this 1 square minus cos theta square. So isse factors banao.
A plus B into A minus B.
So what should be the factors, Sahaj? A plus B, 1
And
plus.
1 plus, yes, 1 minus cos theta.
So do you think anything getting cancelled here?
Yes, ma'am.
This binomial gets cancelled with this binomial.
Yes, ma'am.
And what are we left with? Just compare it with the right hand side of the question.
Ma'am, it's same. It
So
is
we have
same as,
reached RHS. So we started with left hand side, we simplified it, and the simplified answer is equal to right hand side. Now this is one way of doing it. I'm just going to suggest another way to do this. So observe very carefully. I think the work that I have done in red, it's clear to everyone. यहाँ तक सभी को क्लियर होगा. मैंने अंदर साइन कॉस कन्वर्ट किए, राइट, ये आंसर आ गया. अब इसके बाद मैंने आइडेंटिटी यूज कर ली थी. अगर मैं आइडेंटिटी यूज नहीं करती, व्हाट कुड आई डू other than using this identity, the one I've used in blue? What could I have done? The other option is to expand. ये वाली identity solve कर लो, a minus b whole square. So you get a square plus b square minus 2 into 1 into cos theta. Is that right?
yes, ma'am.
And in the denominator, you still have sine square theta. So you get the simplified answer as 1 plus cos square theta minus 2 cos theta over sine square theta, and you would realize that इसके बाद अब कुछ नहीं हो सकता.
Yes, ma'am.
What I suggest at this point is leave this as such, because you have now tried working with left hand side, and this is where you reached and you are not able to think of anything which can be done at this point. So what I can do is left hand side पे मैं जितना काम कर सकती थी मैंने कर लिया. What I'm going to do is now I'm going to use the right hand side and see if I can do anything about it. So this is my right hand side. And I will suggest when you have expressions of this sort, where you have same values added, subtracted, ऊपर नीचे हो सकती हैं, हो सकता है addition ऊपर हो, subtraction नीचे हो. जब इस तरह का आपके पास expression है, same values, here we have 1 and cos theta, ऊपर subtraction हो रही है और नीचे addition हो रही है. Simplify it the way you would rationalize, जैसे rationalization करते हैं. Do you remember rationalization?
Yes, ma'am.
So how do
Yes,
we
ma'am.
rationalize?
Yes, ma'am.
Can anyone tell me how we rationalize?
Multiply the denominator to the numerator.
And
with
the signs are
sign
changed.
That's right, that's right. Denominator का sign change किया और उससे हम multiply कर देंगे numerator denominator दोनों को. Now at this point, can you see, are we reaching somewhere? I have applied the identity. Numerator and numerator give me 1 minus cos theta whole square. Denominator gives me a square minus b square. So I've got 1 minus cos theta whole squared over The denominator is 1 minus cos square theta. So what do you think? Are we reaching anywhere? Like, do you think it could be equal to this here? If I had not applied this identity on left hand side, this is what I actually had. Compare. My left hand side and right hand side, the numerators are same.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? The only part is the denominator would have been different. The denominator would have been this, sine square theta. अब इसका क्या करें? Denominators भी match हो रहे. So at this point, you try to think of identity. Because you know almost you've reached your answer. You've almost reached your answer. Numerators आपके already equal हो गए हैं. The only problem is the denominator. Now is the best time to think of the trigonometric identity which could be used here. So right now at this point you can think of the trigonometric identity and see if it can help you change any of the two sides so that left hand side becomes equal to right hand side. What do you think can be done? You could either change this sine square theta or you could change 1 minus cos square theta on the right hand side and the two sides will be equal. This is one way, like I have shown you two ways to do this question. In any of these ways, you reach your answer. कुछ में आपको थोड़ा ज्यादा टाइम लगेगा, कुछ में कम लगेगा. And the purpose of me showing this is that it's not necessary that you have to start the way I am doing. You could go and simplify the way you want to, but you will have to keep your mind open. आपको थोड़ा सोच के चलना पड़ेगा कि हमारे पास कितनी सारी possibilities हैं. There are many possibilities which you can use to reach your answer at any given point. So whichever way you want to do it, if you have done it the way I did it earlier, like this one here, I hope this is fine. Anyone who would like to ask anything? So every time you're doing questions based on trigonometry, beta, do try. Do try if you think कि अगर हम ऐसे करते तो क्या होता? What if you had solved the square right here? अगर आपने beginning में square open कर दिया होता, तो क्या होता? Even then you would reach your answer. तब भी पहुंच जाओगे आंसर पे. Do try. All right. I'm just going to take it real slow. I would actually wanted to finish this, but this should be done slowly. Don't rush with these questions. Let's do the next part. We have cos A over 1 plus sine A plus 1 plus sine A over cos A equals to 2 secant A. And we are again going to start with left hand side because just by looking at it, I think this requires some work. So I have cos A over 1 plus sine A plus 1 plus sine A over cos A. What do you think I can do?
LCM.
Let's take LCM. LCM of the denominators. I have already told you can use your butterfly method. So the denominator will be the product of 1 plus sine A cos A. In the numerator, you will have cos A multiplied by cos A. This is cross multiplication plus 1 plus sine A multiplied with 1 plus sine A. And let's simplify before we try to think of the next step. This is cos square A. This becomes identity. This actually is 1 plus sine A whole squared. So this will be 1 A square plus B square plus 2 into A into B. You can skip this step. You can write the simplified answer if you want. In the denominator, I've got 1 plus sine A into cos A. This is what I get after simplification. What should I do at this step? And please don't cancel. ये इकट्ठी है ऊपर expression. 4 terms are together. Do not cancel. What should I do?
And we can use
Use the
first
identity.
identity.
Sin square theta plus cos square theta. Do you see here?
Yes.
Yes,
This is
ma'am.
the, yes, we are going to apply identity on these two. So if you want, you can write down for yourself that sin square A plus cos square A equals to 1. You can either write this, or I'm just going to reorder these. I'm going to write them together. Sin square A plus cos square A. The terms which I've highlighted, I put them together, and I'm taking the other two at the end. 4 terms थी, मैंने 4 की 4 terms लिखी हैं, सिर्फ उनका ऑर्डर चेंज किया है. The denominator is still the same, and now I'm going to apply the identity on the first 2 terms. So on the first 2 terms over here, I'm going to apply my identity, and this becomes 1. Let's simplify the numerator. I get 2 plus 2 sine A over 1 plus sine A into cos A. What can I do next?
Take 2 common.
2 common from the numerator. I think Harshit has done, he is answering. Nobody else is even trying. So taking 2 common from the numerator, the denominator is still the same. What should be done here at this step?
Canceling the term.
Terms can be cancelled.
Which term?
One plus
Okay, this
one
binomial
plus
can be
sin A.
cancelled. So we are left with 2 into 1 over cos A,
sin A.
1 over cos A.
Secant A.
Yes, that's correct. 1 over cos